Head of data, data science, managers of data, what should you look for in your next data science hire, analytics hire? So I know with the economy opening up, how crazy it is right now with your Jira tickets and tasks piling up with a lot of tactical ask, and you don't have enough people on the ground. You have lots of open positions, but the tech stack is pretty complex, often in cloud, and you don't find, as you're looking in it to interview, don't find enough qualified people. And so I am here with some tips and tricks for you, as I am helping a lot of our clients who are in the same boat as you, and us too, we're in the same boat as you. So, and it's especially true for startups and growth companies who are non-brand right now, to get the right talent. So what to look for? Here are the 4 things I would not compromise on if I were you. And same, we are not compromising when we are hiring for hiring. So, and this is both for data scientists as well as analysts. Number 1, and this is, I mean, all 4 are, you can't compromise on, definitely number 1. Look for people who have structured process. Because the data environment is so chaotic, because the list of things that needs to get done is so complex, and the environment is changing constantly day after day. We need people who are structured in their approach to how they look for things. They need some ways in which they can structure a very chaotic environment. Second, look for people who are awesome problem solvers. Problems that you have in Jira tickets or wherever else is really, really large often. We need people who can break the problem into smaller problems and tackle one little task at a time and actually bring it to completion. Third is look for awesome decision scientists. In this very complex data tech stack environment and a very complex business environment where 2 product managers may not agree with each other in how they're looking at business, or even with the leadership or marketing manager, you want people who have awesome decision science skills, who can align other people on how, align all the stakeholders on how to look at that. What metric is most important in this dashboard? How should we organize it and so on? So look for people who have awesome decision science skill. And the number 4 is look for people who have hypothesis-driven approach to problem solving. Because the environment is moving so quickly, you want people who can rapidly evolve into a solution with hypotheses versus going and looking to explore at no end. So hypothesis driven is a very, very important. In some ways, awesome problem solvers are often hypothesis driven. Awesome problem solvers are often have good decision science skills, and they are structured. So in a way, I'm saying for, often good analysts have all the 4 together and they go hand in hand. But I wanted to sort of separate it out for you. And then what to do in this crazy hiring environment where, there are more open positions than there are candidates, and everybody's seeming to move, and the people have already pre-moved. Here are some tips for you. One is, if you're in Valley like I am, or on the coast, think about hiring remote, and not only within US or internationally, if that's something you are able to do. There are, obviously, you guys now we have technologies to enable very easy flow and work, and everything is on cloud these days, so it's much, much easier. So think about that. The other thing is to look for entrepreneurs. Here's what we do, as well as what I would recommend for our clients, especially for those who are startup and growth companies. Entrepreneurs or people with entrepreneurial mindset are willing to come into these situations which are new to them, but are ready to see themselves as a business owner. The analysts see themselves as a business owner and hit the ground running. So these are my tips and tricks for you. If you have something more to share, please do share with the comment below, and hope you have a great day.